isang wheelie. Again, yung seat grab. One, coming up. What a nice execution. Here we go again. Woo! Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Sto. Napakagaling naman. So another one, Scott Fitzgerald. Nice. Alright. Okay, palakpakan po natin si Mr. Scott. And sa mga gustong magpa-picture, another one. Yeah, they want another one. Usap lang oh, huwag niyo hong gagayahin yan. Woo! A heel clicker. Another 360. Nice. Okay. Thank you very much, Scott. We look forward for another one tomorrow. So yung mga magpapapicture sa kanya, it's McLean Aguilar. So Marcho Malikabok. Marikina. And coming on third, we have the Danger Boy, Omong Gabriel. To the downhill section, it's still all the way from Valenzuela. A very good execution of the berm by McLean Aguilar. Jeric Mitra on third. Then Omong Gabriel on fourth. And it's now the rider from Isabela for the third position. Okay, nakabangon. Andre Abraham committed a mistake. He got a spill downhill. On the novice production category, we have San Mamaril from Isabela. Congratulations, San. And we have Christopher Mercado. And third, Andre Abraham. Production to the waiting area. Beginners production to the waiting area. Oh, please stand by. Open Enduro, please stand by. Making his move for the second position. So it's now the battle between Tuguegarao and Isabela. Going to the downhill. The rider from Isabela is now taking the lead. But the rider from Tuguegarao City is trying to make his move. As well, the rider from Rizal. So it's now San Mamaril leading over Andre Abraham and Christopher Mercado. So, si San Mamaril pa. We have a race. So, kanina nauna ulit yung ano, no? Tiga Mindanao. I think he got all set up. So, leading right now is San De La Cruz. Sian. Sian. Leading right now for the Mini 50. Ang galing pa ho siya ng Mindanao. Habol sa kanila. Napakadaling trabaho yan ng magulang. So kung iisipin nyo, hindi ho yan ganyang kadali. Hindi lang ho yung mga anak nila ang nagwo-workout. Pati ho yung mga magulang nila. So, congratulations na rin sa inyong and experience this kind of racetrack. Okay, so still the rider from Mindanao stage. Available na po yung merienda. All riders and their crew, pakipunta na lang. So, Zian de la Cruz from 87 Racing. So, nakikita ko sa FB itong batang to. So, still leading. Mukhang sulit yung biyahe. White flag. So last lap, naka-cobra yata itong si Zian eh. He's using a cobra bike. 1-1 finish from the rider of 87 Racing. Congratulations, Zian! Ulit ang biyahe from Mindanao. After winning, Andre Abraham. Then coming on fourth, we have Kurt Ambengan. Then Mickey Molde on fifth. Executive B to the starting gate. Executive B to the starting gate now. Yes. Oh, an overjump from Christopher Mercado is overjumping. Mickey Molde is now on second position. And it's now Andre Abraham, Christopher Mercado, Mickey Molde, Kurt Ambengan, and coming from the downhill, I think this is San Maril, trying to get on the party. So, San Maril already make up his move against Kurt Ambengan. Going on. So, Ralph Lamento is already on the first position, while McLean Aguilar still moving up on second. Coming fifth is the upcoming rider or champion of Northern Luzon, David. We have CK Ramento. Then Jeboy Rillosa on 7. So 85cc category, no? We have a rider down. Yellow flag, yellow flag. Yellow flag. McLean Aguilar still leading over Rob Romento for 2 seconds difference. Then coming on third, we have the number 77. Then fourth, I think this is Jeric Mitra. Then fifth, it's David Malcabo from Isabela. Then CK Ramento is already on fifth. But the number 27 Mark is now closely following him. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Regional Director of Department of Tourism, Region 2, Mr. Troy Alexander P. Mayano. Good afternoon po, sir, and welcome. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo manood. So, abangan niyo po yung freestyle exhibition right after po na itong karera na to. So again, welcome po, Regional Director of Department of Tourism, Region 2, Mr. Troy Alexander P. Mayano. Magandang hapon po, sir. Magandang hapon po.